Your first alert weather.
Okay, Pocatello, how you feeling this morning? It's chilly, 16 degrees. Feels like it's about 6. And we got a little bit of a breeze out of the southwest at about 7. Good morning, I'm Jeff Roper, and glad you're here. I hope you'll download our app and be back here with us today at noon on Local News 8. We'll make sure you have the latest on the storm, keep you updated on the latest news as well. We've got a mostly cloudy to a partly cloudy start with 3 degrees in IF, but it feels like it is 10 below zero with that kick of a breeze. It is 5 below in Rexburg, and that's where it sits, and it's pretty calm to begin with. It's 14 below in Island Park, nothing in Driggs. We're already at 9 below for Soda and Montpelier. They were at 0 earlier, and that means we're going to chill out before the sun comes up this morning. It's 6 below in Salmon, 5 below in Leadore, 14 below in Stanley. Winter storm warning will expire into Wednesday afternoon for the Central Mountains, and we got a winter weather advisory in the horseshoe of things there just above IF on toward Rexburg with some winds this morning of 5 to 10, 11 miles an hour, and it makes it feel like it is well below zero in Chalice at about 12 below, and 19 below is the wind chill in Jackson. Shaking it out with the Vipercast. So we'll have a partly sunny day today, and then the clouds begin to build up into Jackson and into the Snake River Plain. We get some showers in here late into the eastern highlands and into western Wyoming with cloudy buildup, and then that moisture begins to flow overnight into the central mountains. There's that trough, and all of this flow continues with heavy showers into the Sun Valley, and the winds begin to pick up around lunchtime tomorrow. We're talking 30 miles an hour. It doesn't stop there. It will continue with scattered storms into Wednesday night and snow beginning to accumulate, especially for the mountain areas. You can see in Island Park and over toward Jackson into Ketchum, and then we start to get a rain-snow mix with some warmer air attached to the storm and some freezing rain there just above Rexburg and Island Park. That can make things tricky for travel, and again, you'll see the heavy winds throughout the day tomorrow. So estimates at this point, upwards of a foot by at least lunch by Thursday, maybe 2 inches by then in the Sun Valley, and just a scattering of snow up through the Magic Valley, and they're close to Pocatello. 1 to 2 inches is possible into Blackfoot, 4 to 8 in Idaho Falls. That's by noon on Thursday. Now I'll advance this through midnight, and you'll see the estimates go up just a little bit there to around 2 feet in Island Park and 8 to 12 inches into West Yellowstone, and a dusting there into Salmon. So we'll keep you up to date on that, but look at the winds. This is the other part. Anything that's falling out of the sky is blowing sideways is never any fun. 30 miles an hour, and gust potential is there as well. Look at this, into Thursday morning drive time. We still got blowing snow and the chances for some really difficult driving conditions, and still into Thursday afternoon we got 15-mile-an-hour winds with the potential for gust. This system is combining everything it's got to get here. It's a tropical river of the atmosphere, and it will push the moisture in and create havoc for a lot of folks, especially in the high mountain areas. But it's good for the resorts. If you like the cold weather, then yes. But if you're done with these overnight lows in the single digits, I got news for you. We're done with that because we're going to bring in the moisture. I don't know about you, but when it snows, it feels colder to me because of the humidity. 26 in Driggs, 22 in Jackson for the day today, and partly sunny. It'll be 29 in Blackfoot. And then tonight we'll have some single digits, but we're going to warm things up a tad. Jenkins. It'll be 25 in Blackfoot, 25 in Pocatello. It'll be right about 16 in Rexburg for the overnight low tonight. Here's your local news 8-day extended forecast with limited shower chances until we get to tomorrow. It'll be 25 in IF today, and we won't see the temperature change much. We'll be 24 tonight, then 34 into the 40s with more snow flowing as we get toward Thursday. Pocatello, a slight chance of a shower today roaming around, and we're going to mix Pocatello's weather with some rain. So that's the souffle. You know how warm it can be, so you'll have a rain-snow mix possibility. And look at the overnight lows. They're all above freezing as we get into Wednesday. And then we'll be in the mid-40s in the afternoon. So good chance it'll be just a slick mess and then freeze once we're done with it. Blackfoot 29, and then we up the snow chances into Wednesday and Thursday, and it keeps going into Friday, and we'll stay above freezing at night. And then we get to the low to mid-40s. Rexburg 24 today, 16 tonight, right around freezing tomorrow with a 40% chance of showers on the increase for Thursday. Thursday looks like the big target day around here. And then Salmon, yeah, not too much to worry about in terms of snow. You got slight chances there, but cold and breezy. It'll be about 26 today, 6 degrees tonight. And in Jackson, yeah, let's go play. It's going to cloud up, storm up. We'll get you out of the single digits tonight, where it will be 2 after a 22-degree day today. And we'll be right there in the mid-30s for Thursday's big snow, but it looks like it will continue. You'll have lingering showers all the way into the weekend, which is great news for the resorts over there, and it'll be quite pretty. Make sure you send me your pictures too. Jeff.Roper, R-O-P-E-R, at localnews8.com. Love to hear from you, love to know where you're watching, love to see what you got going on in your backyard. Now let's check sports.